Welcome to Market Peeker. The Ichimoku Cloud might look complex at first glance, but it's a powerful tool for identifying trends, support, and resistance. Let's break it down and make it simple. What is the Ichimoku Cloud? It's a comprehensive indicator that provides a snapshot of market sentiment. It consists of 5 key components: Tenkan-Sen, conversion line, a short-term trend indicator; Kijun-Sen, baseline, a mid-term trend indicator; Senkou Span A and B, leading spans, form the cloud, showing support and resistance; Chikou Span, lagging line, plots the current price behind to confirm trends. How to interpret the cloud? Bullish trend. Price is above the cloud, and the cloud is green. Bearish trend. Price is below the cloud, and the cloud is red. Sideways market. Price is inside the cloud, indicating consolidation. Pro tips. Look for a Tenkan-Sen and Kijun-Sen crossover to spot potential entry points. Use the cloud as a dynamic support or resistance zone